Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to change your shop name in Redbubble. So simply in order to do this, you can see this is the main interface of Redbubble. So simply now I want to change my shop name. So I currently have created one shop in my account. So you can also create many shops in your Redbubble account. So simply just I want to change the name here. Simply just you have to click on the account option, and after that just here you can find the account setting option. So simply click on account settings. After that here scroll down, and here you can see edit profile. So simply select the edit profile or simply scroll down. So here you can see the shop name. So simply just change the name here, and after that just scroll down and now click on save changes. So finally, as you can see, our shop name has been changed. So in this way you can change shop name in Redbubble.